The mold calibrations of test apparatus should be performed before initial use and at intervals not exceeding each 1,000 tests, or annually, whichever occurs first. Determine the volume of each mold by either the direct measurement method or the water filling method. First, we will measure the weight of the empty mold. And it is 9,650 grams. Now fill the water into the mold. And it is found to be 12,497.7 grams. Empty the mold, and again fill the mold with water. And it is found to be 12,496 grams. Empty the mold, and again fill the mold with water. And it is found to be 12,496.6 grams. The summary of the test results are given here. The volume of the mold is 2,830 milliliter. The actual volume is 2,851.9 milliliters. The variation of volume ranges in between 0.75% to 0.81%.